Good day guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video I'm showing you how to schedule Instagram Reels directly in the app. So just open up your Instagram app and scroll to the very top so that you see this plus on the top left. Alright, and after that in here choose Reel of course, because that's something we will do. Okay, and after that just advance through the editing deck until you hit the final sharing and caption screen and layouts. Let me just choose a video and scroll to the absolute bottom of this panel. If you're on an iPhone, tap Advanced Settings. If you're on Android, press on More Options. Okay, and after this, you can locate the top configuration role labeled Schedule this Reel. And then just toggle this switch to the active blue state. And then just choose the date and time. It now natively supports options up to 75 days in advance. And then tap Done and Set Time. And then just go ahead and upload your reel. And it's going to go live the exact day and time that you've set it with that option. So keep your content rolling, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.